tá sendo filmado.
Okay, what? It's not always that we have time together on a Saturday morning to be here, right?
100% sure.
So, dude, I would like to let you know that yesterday, or better, I guess we can talking about today because we are just here because a criminal got inside our school.
Asshole, right?
Yeah, and they stole our energy cables. Do you need to talk to us?
About?
I don't know. We are recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
I go.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
So the thing is, we arrived here at 8 a.m. and there was a criminal, but he wasn't here anymore. But he stole all the energy cables that used to bring energy for VPFI. So we didn't have the morning classes, or at least some of them, yeah. So the thing is, we are gonna be talking about the Turma da Mônica, and I decided to invite Baby because he doesn't know the information that I am about to share with you guys.
Yeah, I'm here just with you guys. I have no idea what this guy prepared for us.
Yeah.
And he said some names and he said, no way you're going to use little onion pra cebolinha.
Just figure out. I asked about the Turma da Mônica and he said, quem são os personagens mesmo? Just to have the idea of it, okay?
Yeah, I'm old.
But do you know Turma da Mônica, like Ricardo?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright.
But
Probably,
I can't remember.
Probably everybody who is listening or watching to this content knows Turma da Mônica. And yesterday, my baby girl, she asked me, hey, Dad, let's watch Turma da Mônica. And I said, okay, let's do it. And I put it in Portuguese. And she said, no, Dad, please put it in English.
Awesome.
That's why I love that girl, you know?
She's awesome.
And then, guy, I searched it there, Turma da Mônica in English, because I never had the experience of watching that. And then I found out that the name of Turma da Mônica in English is Mônica's Gang. Like
it makes sense.
A gangue da Mônica, tá ligado?
Yo,
bro.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
So we started watching Mônica's Gang, and it was a very nice episode because it appeared there. Mônica, Magali, Chico Bento, Cebolinha, who else? Cascão. Those main characters from the comic books. You know?
And the bunny that Mônica
No,
helped.
the bunny didn't appear.
Holy
I don't know his name in English. I guess in Portuguese it's Sansão.
Oh.
Sansão. I guess it is, but the thing is...
BB.
No. Okay. Yeah. Zero star so okay, I got it. So
Got it.
the thing is, babe, Mônica entered in the place there, and I found out that her name in English is Mônica. So it doesn't change a bit, you know? Like Mônica the same.
Yeah, they also have the name Mônica in the United States, right?
Yeah, they do. Like Friends.
yeah.
Like Friends, Mônica,
That's
yeah?
why I think they didn't change.
And the thing is, guy, when Magali entered in the scene, she was holding a watermelon. You know, she is the character that loves eating everything, but her favorite thing in the world is watermelon, right?
Yeah.
And then Mônica said, hey, Maggie, you won't have this whole watermelon all by yourself, will you? And I said, wait, did she call Magali Maggie? And then I got, okay, so the characters, they created a whole new name for the characters.
Awesome.
And I got curious. I was like, oh, I need to know the name of all the other characters then. I kept watching. And
completely different what we say for our students that the name we don't change in the United States.
Yeah.
Like Antonio here in Brazil, I'm not going to be Anthony in the United States. It's going to be Anthony.
Exactly.
Antonio. So there they changed.
They changed, like Magali became Maggie.
Awesome.
Maggie. The first thing that it was a blowing mind for me. It was so cool. And then right after that, Cascão arrived, and Cascão is knowing because he doesn't like to take showers. He's a guy that he's kind of dirty, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And dude, do you know the name that the guys put at Cascão there?
Man, I have no idea.
It's a different name because it's a word that I didn't know too. They called Cascão as smudge.
Smudge?
Yeah, like SMUDGE. smudge.
Gee, I have no idea what
Yeah.
this word means.
I didn't know too. And then I said, okay, Marie Claire, just wait. I'm going to search for information here. And I type it up. Smudge in English means a mancha de sujeira. So you see the connection.
Actually, I prefer this name.
Yeah.
Instead of cascão, mancha de sujeira, it's gonna be
Mancha
awesome.
de sujeira. So, na gangue da Mônica tem o mancha de sujeira. Tá
Oh.
ligado? You know? Like,
It's
you
the name
know.
of the criminal that just
Yeah.
entered this morning.
Man,
here.
yeah.
Maybe that guy is gonna be the smudge guy.
It makes sense. It
Love
makes
this.
sense. But the cartoon kept on going, and then here comes the boom. Cebolinha arrived in the party.
That's what I said, little onion
Yeah,
in the beginning. But
when
I'm curious,
I
I'm
was
curious.
thinking about that, like, okay, little onion, might it be there? But no
No.
way, no man.
I'm curious.
He arrived there, and Monica screamed at him, "Hey, Jimmy 5, what are you doing there?" And because he was not invited to the party, you know, so he was not supposed to be there.
Right.
There was a party going on, and Jimmy 5 arrived.
Uh-huh.
But now I'm gonna let you know why Jimmy 5.
Okay,
Take a look at something. I never, ever noticed this. But after the explanation, I said, holy crap, it was that. Jimmy 5. Jimmy, it's a term that people tend to use to refer about hair. Like fio de cabelo. Oh, you have white Jimmys. Fios de cabelo branco.
Got it.
Okay, alright? Jimmy 5, because he has 1, 2, 3, 4,
No way.
5 Jimmys on the top of his head, man. Oh God. And I imagine, man, okay, Jimmy 5 is so cool, right?
I love it.
So nice, right?
Yeah.
I loved that, man. I
Incredible.
loved that. And,
This information is also new for me. I didn't know that they refer for the hair as a Jimmy.
I didn't know that too, but it's not hair in general. It's just the fio de cabelo.
Yeah, it's this all one.
So if we think about that song like o fio de cabelo no meu paletó, it would be Jimmy no meu paletó, you know?
I didn't know my suit.
Yeah, Jimmy in my suit, you know? And I go, wow, man.
So you're going to be in trouble if your wife is going to see a blonde Jimmy in your shirt.
Of course I will. Of course I will. And I was not man. Take a look at how many things I learned watching a simple cartoon. And then
Yeah.
to end this, to conclude this, the last character arrived. There is a guy, he's from the countryside. I don't know if you remember him. His name is Chico Bento. He speaks like a Texan guy there.
Yeah, I think I have some memories, but I can't figure
And the
his
Portuguese, in the Portuguese version of the cartoon, he comes from the countryside. Oh, cebolinha, like a fecha essa porta, cebolinha, you know, something like that. And take a look. There's no explanation why Chico Bento got this name, but it is a gangsta name too. It's a gangsta name.
It's like
Chic.
50 Cent.
No, it's not. It's not. But Chico Bento became Chuck Billy. You see? Chuck Billy. Huh?
It sounds like someone from Far West, you know?
Yeah, it sounds totally like he in his horse with a hat, you know, a badass guy, you know?
Do you know who you were talking to?
Yeah, Chuck Billy. That's me, you know? Hey, Jimmy 5, you know? Yeah, man. Whoa, dude, it's unbelievable to think how many things
So
I
let's
learned.
repeat the last one because I didn't remember.
Okay.
It's
Chuck Billy?
Chuck Billy.
Yeah.
Chuck Billy. Oh, like.
Just as a review, so Monica became Monica.
All right.
Okay. Magali became Maggie.
Maggie.
Yeah. Who was the next that I told you? I guess Cebolinha. Cebolinha became Jimmy 5.
Jimmy 5.
Yeah. Cascão became Smudge.
Smudge. Man, this is the
Yeah,
best one.
Smudge. And the Chico Bento became Chuck Billy.
Chuck Billy.
They were the characters that appeared in this episode of the cartoon, but I intend to keep watching and watching and watching because, man, the way they spoke, it was natural, and my baby girl loved the way the characters interacted with each other, you know. And after that, I was searching for further information on the internet to get to know a little bit more, like the curiosity about Jimmy 5, why the name, and I found a website where they have, since the first comic book ever released until the last one that Maurício de Souza, I guess it's Maurício de Souza,
Yeah,
the
I think
author, he wrote all translated into English. So man, if you are our student here from VPFI, we have a virtual library on Telegram, and I already put the link for the website where you can download all the numbers since the first one. There are more than thousands of them.
Whoa.
Man, it's a lot.
It's a way easy to learn English and having fun, right?
Yeah, dude,
If
of
you
course.
guys have some English level, if you know a little bit, you can use these to teach your cousin, daughter, son,
Yeah.
yourself. It's gonna be awesome and fun.
And the interesting thing is, I shared this information this whole week, you know? And I intend to have special classes using part of the Monica's gang part of episodes, because kids know it, teenagers know it, adults know it. Like, you didn't even remember the name of the characters, but did you listen to this?
Yes, I did. It's
This-
kind of a light.
But I heard outside, guys, we need to stop it right now, but probably we won't be back if we are fired. Bye bye.
If you die, this goes mine.
Okay,
Remember that.
bye bye.